All right. We're coming back up. We're back in. Yes. All right. Now the internet's still acting a little wonky, folks. So give it a moment. Yes, internet's still acting wonky, folks. Hold on. Facebook Live gotta catch up. Yes. All right, Facebook Live is caught up. Okay, we're a little bit faster now. Again. Hello, wonderful people. Welcome. My name, of course, that you should know by now. If you don't, it's Payton 3.0, the drum step and EDM vocalist, Zombie Supreme. We're a lot late for the show. A lot of technical problems were happening that I first fortunately couldn't control, so I had to shut my computer down, restart it, bring it back up, because everything got that wonky. But we are back. We are here, right? And we're ready to get the show started. So today we're going to talk about Annie Nightingale launches scholarships for underrepresented female and non-binary DJs. Yes. Now, before we get started, by the way, this is the EDM. This is Payton 3.0 presents the EDM World News Live. Okay? Bounce. I'm your humble host.
Survive.
Now, I forgot. I need to go ahead and pull up. Bam. We need to get to the social medias, folks. Come on. All right. You know how we do. It's a SoundCloud.com. Ooh, hold on. That's not my song. We gotta take that off, honey. That might be a copyright strike. Okay. There we go. All right, folks. Anyway, like I was saying. SoundCloud.com/Payton30, Instagram.com/Payton30. No, it's Payton3_O. I can't see it from here, so let me click on it. 3_O star. Facebook Zombitron Community, Facebook.com/Payton30. YouTube.com/C/Payton30 covers hits. And of course, one, I got to update my card, okay, which is going to be sessionslive.com/Payton30662. All right. So tough without a team behind you. You gotta wear all the hats. Not enough time. Anyway, the song you hear in the background, which is called Lethal, you can hear that on my live. I mean, not on my live, on SoundCloud.com. Okay, today we are talking about. I already said what we were talking about, so let's move on. Anyway,
Survive.
just before we get into the actual article, so what I want to explain for those who don't know what non-binary means. Okay, within the lesbian, gay, transsexual, bisexual community, questioning, whatever. Okay, which is I'm a part of because I'm gay. Okay, so what non-binary means is you don't subscribe to one gender, right? You don't subscribe to being a female or a male, right? You're just they. You're just there. You're just a human. You're just a human being. Okay, that's what non-binary means. You don't really want to subscribe to the categories because you just don't feel like they fit you. You don't want anything to do with them. You're just a human. You are they, it, if you prefer, whatever your pronouns may be, whatever. Okay, so let's get into the article. All right, it says Annie Nightingale launches scholarship for underrepresented female and non-binary DJs, okay? So BBC Radio 1, okay, has launched a new scholarship named after the first female DJ and longest serving presenter, Annie Nightingale. The scholarship will be awarded to 3 individuals who are women or non-binary DJs, and aims to celebrate and elevate talented women and non-binary people in the electronic music scene by providing them with a national platform to showcase their taste and expertise, according to BBC Radio 1. The previous winners of the scholarship are DJ Martha, Godlands, and LCY. They will be performing on this station on the evening of Saturday, November the 6th. The winners of this year's scholarship will receive a 1-hour slot on BBC Radio 1 on Saturday night. Okay. I was the first, and now she says I was the first ever female DJ on radio, okay? And am now the longest serving presenter of any gender, Nightingale said. Ever since, let me pause before we go on. I don't even know who, I'm late, because I don't even know who Annie Nightingale is. So I need to actually do my research, okay? Who she actually is, right? And if you don't, you should do your research too. Anyway, ever since I began, she said, I have wanted to help other young broadcasters passionate about music to achieve their dreams on airways. And now we at Radio 1 are to put that on a proper footing, okay? So she's giving these scholarships out, and I really think that's fabulous, right? Because if you have the power to help
survive
other people, other artists, people in the industry, around your neighborhood, if you got like that, you got the capital to do it, you should do it. Comment in the comment section if you agree, okay? But anyway, that was actually pretty short for that article, right? I thought it was a great thing for her to do. And, many people with money should put their money where their mouth is and help other people who are struggling, trying to get made their way, right? You like this mug, right? And this new t-shirt, yes you do, from Venom. Okay. Now what does this mug say? My best friend, right? Now I do have a cat in here. That's because my roommate got one. And I love me some cats, okay? But the thing is that this cat is all over the place. She's hopping around. She's running places. Honey, I need her to settle down, honey. Love a cat because, they don't really need much from you, okay? They don't need much from you, but when they're rambunctious and jumping around and hopping on things and scratching, honey, I need you to back me on up, okay? I'm trying to focus in this world, god damn it. I'm trying to run a business in this bitch. So anyway, that's all I really had for this. I thought it was wonderful. Comment in the comment section if you wish somebody would give you a scholarship to something someday to go somewhere. First of all, what is your dreams? Okay, what is your dreams? Comment that in the comment section and comment on how you plan to accomplish them, okay? Because you gotta take action. And hey, if you're really spiffy, you won't wait for anybody to give you your dreams. You won't ask anybody to handle your dreams, because today in this world, you can make it happen your damn self, even more than it was before. This has been Payton 3.0, EDM World News. The drunk stepping EDM vocalist Supreme, baby. And I shall see you on the next show. But before we go, I gotta get back to those social medias. I can't let y'all forget, right? And for those who are on YouTube who are seeing this later, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Okay? Because the algorithm loves when you participate, it makes it much easier.
Bounce.
Survive.
Bam. Okay. So, SoundCloud.com/Payton30. Instagram.com/Payton3_star. Facebook Zomatron Community. Facebook.com/Payton30. YouTube.com/C/Payton30 covers hits. And I will see you on the next broadcast. Bye-bye now.